Let's begin by reaching the arms all the way up towards the sky, spreading the fingers nice and long, wiggling out your fingers, maybe even looking up towards the sky, making some really tight fists, and then releasing the hands back out. As you're doing this, connect with your breath. From here, relax the hands down towards the center of your heart. Begin to turn, rotating the wrists one side, and then slowly rotating the wrist the opposite direction. As you're doing this, keep connecting with your breath, and then keep the fingers interlaced as you press the hands away from you, reaching up towards the sky. Relax the shoulders away from your ears. Maybe take a soft bend in the elbows. Take a few breaths here, and then begin to move through this motion of pressing the hands forward and reaching the arms up. Keep your shoulders away from the ears as you're doing this pose. From here, slowly release and shake the hands out. Now, you're going to take your right hand out, spreading the fingers wide. Left hand is going to come on top to help open up the wrist. So we're paying attention to the back of the wrist here. Make sure that your shoulders are relaxed. Take a few breaths here before releasing your right hand down, pressing your left hand to the center of the back of your hand. Once you feel like you have a good enough stretch here, shake the hands out and then move into the opposite side. So the left hand spreads out, right hand comes on top, pressing that hand back. Take about 3 to 5 rounds of breath, and then releasing the hand down, coming into the front of the wrist. Maybe bring a smile to your face as you're in this pose, and then go ahead and shake it out. From here, taking your hands, spreading them wide and tapping each finger at a time. As you're doing this, be mindful to go slow with this movement, yeah? So you're focusing on creating space, opening up the joints, and then reversing if you'd like to challenge yourself. Find a spot that you can focus on to help you get through this exercise. And then bring your hands together, one finger at a time. Reach the arms above the head and taking your hands to heart center to seal off your practice. Namaste.